two test way. Control the loading, control the extension. Now use control loading. This is the samples. Select by yourself. This is the test. This is this distance. And this is the control loading force. Test speed, return speed, the sample length, and the compression length. You can check the menu book for this. This is the set the temperature, humidity, and the operation. After set all. You can take the test. And then this test way is only to control the test distance. Other exam. So now we use this one is change the language, not it. The report. And this one is not the printer, so you only can check it. And after check it, this is the testing screen. Now we are use this test way, set the 100, and then on here click the return. $100. Now you can see here is 100, and then install the sample. Before the test, clear. Now finish the test. It is finished. We can check the report. It is 100. Number 3. If you check the more, this one. You can check by yourself. 你刚收不了200的？
是的，200，最大那个200。
嗯？不是，就100。Now we can take again. 来一点。Then before the we need to click the return button before the last one test. Now we go to take a test again. 拉一点。We finish the testing. The test result on here. This is the test result of this test. This is this test. And if you set this one, you need to return it. Now it is the set it. Use the last one, and then clearly install the sample. Click the run. Now it is finish the test. We get to this one. And then you can check the report for the test result on here. And if each one is full safe, you need to delete all. This is all use of this machine. If you have any question, please check the menu book. If you want to check the report into the report and then say it, the test result on here.